Website flipping can be an attractive source of income for businesses and entrepreneurs. However, considering some important factors is crucial to succeed in this venture. Firstly, website flippers need to accurately identify promising websites from the pool of low-cost options. It is important to select projects that show potential among low-priced websites. Factors such as website content, traffic potential, competition, and growth opportunities should be evaluated during the selection process. Website flippers should apply various strategies to improve the purchased website. These strategies may include enhancing design, improving user experience, updating content, implementing search engine optimization, SEO, efforts, and other marketing activities. These steps increase the website's value, allowing for a higher selling price. Moreover, website flippers should possess technical knowledge and skills. Required skills during the website development process may include web design, programming, content creation, and marketing strategies. Acquiring missing skills or working with a team can increase the chances of success. When engaged in website flipping, determining the correct price for the website being offered for sale is important. Factors influencing the website's value include traffic, revenue potential, competition in the industry, business size, and brand value. Implementing an appropriate pricing strategy is crucial to attract buyers and ensure a profitable sale. Website flippers have various potential revenue streams. These may include earning advertising revenue through increased website traffic, affiliate marketing, product or service sales, sponsorship agreements, and tailored business solutions. Diversifying revenue sources is important to maintain a stable income stream. Proper project management is one of the key elements of being a successful website flipper. This includes business planning, time management, project tracking, and communication skills. Additionally, staying updated on market trends, evaluating new opportunities, and determining the right strategies are important. Website flipping is a business model that offers the opportunity to purchase low-cost websites, enhance them, and sell them for a profit. However, making informed choices, implementing development strategies, possessing technical knowledge and skills, determining appropriate pricing, and effectively managing projects are crucial for success. Website flipping can be an attractive income source for entrepreneurs and businesses, but it requires careful planning and execution. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.